the university for the convention. I just don't know
Stop mo
where.
natin. Hindi, stop.
That's gonna be on September,
Wala
so
po.
that's a regional competition.
Ha?
So, for our second runner-up, female
Patay tayo pa na.
candidate,
First runner-up.
wala bang drum rolling dyan? Second runner-up, female candidate number 3. Raisa Santos.
Nakabahan si Jed. Tingnan si Jed. Lobat na siya, delikado.
To be awarded by our previous Miss JPIA 2008 and Miss JPIA Regional First Runner-Up, Miss Christina Salunga, and Mr. JPIA 2008 University and Regional. Basta lumabas yung regional.
Wow, sama naman.
The title. He won the title for the regional Mr.
Yes.
JPIA 2008.
Sa Wawawi. Pag nandiyan na si Jed,
Congratulations, Rai.
nangawit ako. Medyo
And for
malulubat
the
na
male
tayo.
category, our second runner-up is no other than candidate number 5. Adenay Jan Aslarona.
Abeda na lang.
Ano nga ba apelido ni Charles? Aslaro na din, alam ko eh. Kuya nga siya ni Charles. Klasiko. Ayun o, yan. Nakatayo matabang yan. Klasiko yan.
Tapos natilap
So, congratulations to our second runner-ups.
Pag sa regional, naku.
And for the
inopen. Knock-off.
first runner-up, male candidate
Pinaban ako sa...
number 3.
2. Second
Is
runner-up.
Miss
Second
Glenn
runner-up.
Balahadia. Is from BSA 3A.
Hindi kinakabahan. Lord. Kayo na bahala, Lord.
To be awarded
Lord.
by
Lord,
Mr.
kayo na bahala.
Luis Pelayos. And once
I think-
again, Miss Christina Saluma.
Kinakabahan. Ako yung kinakabahan.
Yanda mo na.
Hindi kaya kumiti si Kuya niya. Jade, kumiti ka, Jade.
Sign-up!
Hi.
Wala na.
Usok tayo ng konti. Yun kaya
So I
tayo.
guess it's about time to announce our first runner-up, or the female category. Our first runner-up is no other than... Who do you think it is? Bigyan natin ang audience. Candidate number 4. Parang Kay Castro.
Mga nakakuha ng special award. Mga nakakuha ng special award. 5 and 6. Pwede tayong umutang, 5, 6.
To be awarded once again by our university professor, Mr. Hanks Pelayo, and Miss Christina Saluma.
Ayun lang. Patayin muna natin. Isa ito
Of course, we would like to thank our sponsors for this event. My Style Salon, Spa Signature with branches at SM Clark and Marley Pension Complex at Diamond Subdivision, and Miss Sherilyn Torres of Macores. Thank you very
Ano
much.
yan? Second runner-up yan o champion na yung
First champion na niya.
champion.
Are you excited to know
Sabihin mo naman,
who our Mr. and Miss JPI 2009 are?
Record mo na. Jed! Kaya mo yan!
Go, Jed!
Go, Jed! Woo!
Our
bandera, sign
Mr. JPIA 2009
Six! Six! Six!
Sabi mo na,
Six!
Una muna tagalin. Candidate number 6.
Wow!
Ulit, ulit.
Sean
Lobat.
Eddie Chu.
Go, Jet!
To be awarded by the chairman of the
Lobat.
board
Kaya
of
mo yan.
judges, Ma'am Bambi, assistant
Go, Jet!
Mrs. Susana Torres. Congratulations.
Takot. Yes! Takot. Jet! Go, Jet!
Who will win the title Miss JPII 2009?
Five!
Who deserves the crown tonight?
Yes, five!
So, once again, we would like to thank our sponsors, My Style Salon,
Okay, daw tayo sa
Spa
Go,
Signature
Jen.
with Branch at SM Clark,
Okay,
and
dali lang,
Diamond
wala na,
Subdivision,
okay.
and Miss Sherilyn Torres of Aquabel. So, ito na. Hold your breath.
Sabay, go, Jet, ah. 5,
Miss JPIA 2.
Go, Jet!
So, other
Five!
candidate number 5.
Go, Jet! 1, 2,
Vanessa
3,
Joy
go!
Smith.
Go, Jet!
To be awarded by lahat na.
Galing.
Mr. Heinz Pilayo, Kuya John, Mrs. Susana Torres, Miss Christina Salunga, and our Sensi President, Sixto Sengson,
Ayaw na sumindi.
and
Lobat na.
Your Honor. Thank you.
Tinakot na naman. Kaya tama lang nung hindi natin sa pinalabas.
Congratulations to our winners.
Meron, doesn't formal wear. Ayun, ako yung number 3. Ay, anong ba yun? Uy, dun ka!
Kaya?
Sige na.